From the block is getting shot up. I feel your pain, homie. I got the same story. But since you came to Christ, you got to bring his name glory. No more living in the darkness. No more living heartless. But you got that Holy Spirit running inside your carcass. Your life's been changed up, rearranged up. You've been reborn and you don't have to do the same stuff. You live regenerate, you get the benefit of Christ crucified, but you got to live in it. Got to be imminent. The forgiveness is unlimited, but stop and represent. Get drunk, represent, get drunk. If you know you reppin' Jesus, go ahead and throw it up. Represent, get drunk, represent, get drunk. If you know you reppin' Jesus, go ahead and throw it up. Represent, get drunk, represent, get drunk. Kyle Bisconer, right? Jesus, go ahead and throw it up. Represent, get drunk, represent, get drunk. If you know you reppin' Jesus, go ahead and throw it up. From the plant to the drop to the birds, calling out to the cats who be dropping the word. Who be representing Christ, not ashamed, share his life, catching flight for his spots in the world. To the cats that represent him well, while putting a cross on the move. As a reaching for the cats that's stepping in the hell while